Morning everyone. John's been busy this morning while the sun is not round in this corner. So previously this doorway was open to the elements up here. So John has filled the void with some more insulation and some wood cladding, which he's finished off very nicely with a coat of varnish. And these stone blocks have now had the gap between them and the door frame filled and mortared, so that will stop any water ingress. And he has continued with mortar in the gaps of the stone wall, so he's now just about to fill this gap, which has had the badly coloured, it was almost white lime mortar, and obviously we want it to blend in with the existing stones, so he's chiselled and brushed that out and is making up some more mortar to go onto it.